Hello guys, today we have the COMAN 62.2-inch compact carbon fiber tripod stand. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. The tripod comes in its own carrying bag. The carrying bag actually has straps right here so you can carry it, or you can strap it to your backpack. It also has a strap right here to be able to hang it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. The accessories included within this tripod, it's this additional attachment. It is this spikes that will go on the bottom, just depending on the terrain that you're at, just to make sure that your tripod doesn't slip. It also includes the manual right here, just to get you all the specifications and the use of this tripod. And finally, this is the tripod right here. Look at this nice carbon fiber material. It does come with adjustable legs right here that you can adjust them just by opening these levers right here. Very simple process, and they locked into place very good. Now, if you notice the bottom of this, it has plastic. This will make your tripod to not slip. It does come with a adjustable ball head right here. Let me just unlock it. There we go. And you can adjust it to whatever setting you need. It also has this function right here where you push this button and it quick releases the camera or the equipment that you're using with the tripod. Once you open the legs right here, you're going to find that this part also adjusts the height. Okay, so once you are done leveling your tripod to the surface, then you can also adjust and have an extra adjustment for the height just in case you need it. And as you adjust the height, you will just lock it using this knob right here. It also has a tool right here stored secretly. That way you can remove the ball head in case you need that. And this hook will serve you to hang your equipment. That way it's just not laying on the ground. One other feature that this tripod has is that this legs on the bottom will adjust just in case you need a lower setting. With this tripod, you can definitely do it. All the accessories fit back in the carrying case, so you can rest assured that all your accessories that you need are going to be here. Okay, you can take those hooks off and then put them inside, and it will close back up. And then you can use a shoulder strap to strap this to your shoulder, or if you prefer, just have them like this on your back. I really hope that this information has helped you with any questions that you might have into what's included with this tripod. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.